Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow Telegram to access your media on your device. Granting Telegram access to your media files is crucial for seamless sharing and communication. Let's go through the steps together. Begin by opening the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager, depending on your device. From the list of apps, find and select Telegram. Once you've selected Telegram, tap on Permissions. Within the Permissions menu, locate the option for Files and Media or Storage. Toggle the switch next to it to give Telegram access to your files. After enabling access to files, be sure to select Allow Access to Media to allow Telegram to interact with your media effectively. By following these steps, you can ensure that Telegram has the necessary permissions to access your media seamlessly. This will enhance your Telegram experience and make it easier for you to share media with your contacts and groups. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in allowing Telegram to access your media on your device. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to make the most out of your Telegram messaging experience.